Want me to take the video?
Sorry.
He was relaxed after a good meal from Thanksgiving.
Oh, you gave him food? Turkey?
Got las sobras.
Oh, turkey?
Jeez, that's loud. That's louder than Grandpa.
She's saying about your daddy.
He's half asleep, half awake. He has his eyes open. Oh. They're all red.
Hey, put some fire over here so I can get some light. I can't barely see him.
Look at his eyes, they're all red.
Over here.
Right here.
Put it over here.
You think he's wearing his
Put some more paper over here. I can't see him that
I
good.
need a drug test now. He won't pass it. Look at his face.
Are you still gonna need these pictures? After a good decent meal, Thanksgiving, you have
I've never seen a dog fall asleep. I see when people's touching. Never mind. It's gotta be their laces when I understand. No, being lazy.
You suck.
No, la lumbre, papi. He's mostly the one who's awake all the time. If you look outside by that very night.
It's probably like, okay, is there time to watch me?
What did you get that one, papito?
Watch, I'm gonna scare him. What do you think?
No.
Still recording? Wow. That's on my jet seat.